Okay, now that you've created your CoboPress web hosting account, it's time to take you through the control panel and client area. Your control panel or client area is where you can access your hosting services and manage all your hosting packages. So, to access your control panel and client area, simply visit cobopress.com from your browser. So, once you visit our hosting platform, which is cobopress.com, you'll see platform from the top menu here. You can point to it and click control panel, or alternatively just click login or sign up button from the top right here. So once you do that, you'll be taken to the login page where you are required to enter your login details. That is the email address you used during the sign up process and your password. You enter those details and click sign in. So once the sign in process is complete, you'll be automatically redirected to your client area. Yeah, this is your client area. Or you can simply click client area from the bottom menu. So once you're here, you can find four tabs. The first one is other services. And under other services, you can see other web hosting, registered domains, transfer domains. And then the second is manage services. So under manage services, you'll see hosting. So once you can see this hosting icon, it means we have activated your web hosting account. So you have a valid hosting package. That is why you can see this here. So if you can't find this hosting icon here, it means we haven't activated your web hosting account. So you can feel free to contact us so we will be able to activate it. You can contact us in our Facebook group and we'll quickly activate your free web hosting account. So the next tab here is your account section where you can set your security details, contact details, see your invoices, change, remove, or add new payment methods. You can see renewals and notifications. And last but not the least is the customer support tab. So you can contact our customer service from here. You can view your existing tickets from here and also see the support database or help desk articles from here. So that is typically your control area. You can also see the menu from here. This is your control panel and client area. And there are a lot of things you can do from here, which we will be learning about in future classes. But for now, that is that. This is how to access your control panel and client area. And in the next lesson, I'll be showing you how to add a hosting package to your domain and install WordPress on your subdomain. So see you in the next class.